लेकिन हुआ नहीं ये हमारा उसके पहले भी कोई कभी भी लेके नहीं जाता
आजकल के बाद मतलब
अरे बहुत पहले लाइक जब पहले लॉकडाउन के पहले हाँ वो पहले दूसरों में माइक का लेके आते थे ये दूसरे जाते लोग में आने वाला डीएवी का एक प्लेटफॉर्म इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का फर्स्ट रन पाकिस्तान में
हम लोग को पूरी हिस्ट्री पढ़ाई गई गांधी जी कृष्णा जी राम सबकी हिस्ट्री पढ़ाई हुई हिंदी में शुद्ध
अच्छा उनकी डीएवी में सब लोग
आगे ही पढ़ एकदम बस
स्कूल भी जाते हैं बाकी स्कूल और उधर पढ़ाई में लाइक बहुत प्रेशर है वो बच्चों को टेस्ट वगैरह
वो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर भी ध्यान देते हैं हमारा कोई घटिया ऐसे पढ़ाई
एक बार
अंदर खबर
मुझे क्या आता है क्योंकि मेरे घर में छुट्टी है
ये भी खबर और स्पॉट
ये भी खाएगा
पानी के अंदर भारत को जो 25 साल एक
area related to either way, area related to circular no? Okay. Here basically you don't have much new things. Okay, the sector segment and only part coming, the remaining parts are not new.
And I think what this chapter is done in the school. So that according to the other school, that combination part is not there. Combination of figures. One exercise. Okay. Okay, already closed. Notebook open. Unit of area, you know. Unit for area, you know. So,
Centimeter square.
centimeter square, meter square. What is the unit of perimeter? Units. Units. That means centimeter. That means. The closer wall, closer to is opening the it's a. That's it. See? Okay, pen take, you are going to write something. Don't write. Okay, chalo. Come first, before going to the first is conversions. You know conversions?
Yes.
All of you.
Yes.
Conversion means big units to changing. Okay.
Meter, centimeter to meter.
Millimeter to kilometer. How will you convert? Hold that. Is that? Millimeter to kilometer, how to convert? Cool. Nobody, yeah, 10 seconds only, na? Divide by 1 lakh. Later down tell. I don't need to calculate things and do learn. 1 lakh. Pakka. Oh shit, 2 people said 1 lakh. He says 10 lakh. And now someone's tapping. Listen. All of you listen. If you don't know, millimeter and kilometer, 1 lakh. Agree, no? Okay, now listen. 110 lakh, 1. Okay. Millimeter and kilometer, which is the bigger quantity. So to convert a small to big, what you have to do? Divide. That is number. To convert big to small, multiply. This makes no confusion. Do you know how to convert millimeter to centimeter? Divide by 10. Meter, centimeter to meter, divide by 100. Okay, meter to kilometer. So how many things you have to do? So how many lakhs are there? 10 lakhs. Okay, now understood. You don't need to remember the unit millimeter to kilometer. See what I have done? The same format you can do. Millimeter becomes centimeter. So I know that conversion. Meter to centimeter to meter, I know that conversion like that. Okay, this much. Don't need to, I should remember that or not. Now, do you know how to convert kilometer square to meter square? First is coming as find out kilometer meter. Kilometer meter is 1000. Kilometer square to meter square is square of 1000 square. That also remember. Okay, you don't need to remember how many zeros and all. If one single conversion means 1 dimension, 2 dimension square. Cube means accordingly cube. This is the first conversion part. Okay. Second thing. Triangle, all the type of triangle, area, perimeter, you know. What do you mean by area?
The area of the circle.
Area is area.
Area includes by the
Region enclosed between that which, okay, in the closed figure. Okay, what do you mean by perimeter?
length of the
Some of the outer boundary. Length of the outer boundary or some of the outer boundary. Okay, now, next is triangle. Area, you know?
Yes.
Yes.
Base into height.
Half base into height. All of you know that formula. I don't need to explain. Any other formula for area? Here on formula. What is it?
Under root of S into
S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Where S is equal to
half perimeter.
semi-perimeter, half perimeter means S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, A, B, C are sides of the triangle. Those who don't know the formula, please write down and remember. Learn. All of you know the formula? Some sort of needed. Half BH, you know, all of you know. Okay, then Heron's formula also right. Area is equal to, this is root over S times S minus A. Not compulsory for all of you to write. Where S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. What are ABC? ABC are the sides. Yes. Huh? Swastika,
Yes, sir.
you don't have lecture now. ICSE lecture is not there today, no?
Sir, it's Monday, no?
Monday, but this week, no. Did you check your timetable?
Sir,
Check.
just a minute.
That's not there. You can move and you can check, okay? Okay. Check. Yeah. So that is this one formula followed all of you?
Yes.
Okay, that is the condition is coming as which one? This is area. Area of a right triangle, you know.
It's half into base.
Pythagoras.
Half into same thing.
Then what is the difference right triangle and the thing? Half base and
Half into
what are base and height? Base and height are the sides containing the right triangle or sides other than the hypotenuse. Follow, not follow, tell that, don't sit this way. If sir, I am not followed, tell immediately, I will explain again. Are you followed? Base into height means base and height are the sides other than hypotenuse. This is base and this is height. Okay, for the other triangles, base into height means this. Are you followed? These are the sides. This is not, here height is not the side. Okay, equilateral triangle, all of you know. Equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All said then
What is its area?
root 3 is root 3 is by 2.
Root 3 by 4 a square. Right. Area. Surface area. Hello, my friends, surface area whatever is for plane figures. Okay, equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. Formula learned so that you know wherever it's required, you have to remember. Okay. What is a side? And what is its perimeter?
3A.
It's 3A. Sum of the sides be 3A, isn't it? Follow. Do you know what is the height of an equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by root 3.
You know, root 3 by 2 times A. Half base into height now.
अच्छा 2 get the root. Yes, sir.
So let's height is equal to root 3 by 2 A. Height is equal to root 3 by 2 times A. Then only it will come now half into this. What do you mean by base? Base means side.
Side.
Okay. So in this one A into half outside and the topic comes. Switch on the AC. Who switched off the AC?
Everything like this.
Okay, no problem. Okay. You want one more?
Base and the
Okay. No, no. One of you people only remove. Okay. Now, isosceles triangle, you know.
opposite side.
Two sides are equal. What area? What is the formula used? Half base into height or the round formula. Okay, the sides are equal. Now, isosceles right triangle. Area.
Half is by
Half a square. Very right. Area of isosceles right triangle. Area of isosceles right triangle is equal to half a square. Half a square. Where a is the equal side. You will not inform about your lecture.
I inform.
The friends are calling.
not that.
Who's calling?
Ah,
After legend, no?
and I'm actually talking to
Okay, now, so half a square. Then these are the triangle ones. Quadrilaterals. First, let's come to rectangle. All of you know? H. 2B. What will H is coming? This is the first formula for area you study. Every standard of equation. Area is equal to LV, centimeter. 2 into L plus B. No, I need to write. Those who don't know, area is LP, perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Diagonal Pythagoras here. Root of L square. Square. Area. A square. Perimeter. 4S. 4S. S or A both is important. Okay. Trapezium. That's all. Half things only are telling. Half into sum of parallel. Into distance between the edge. Half area of trapezium is half times A plus B into H, where A and B are parallel sides, H is the distance between them. Okay. Area of trapezium. Okay, these are not much used, but just only once quickly I will. Next, done. Okay, parallelogram. Area.
Base into it.
What is base? Base into height, side into side, BH. Okay, base into height. Area of parallelogram, BH. B means a side, height is the distance between parallel sides. Wherever not followed, we tell you. So, last one, rhombus. Area. E square is rhombus is square over area of the right area of rhombus. That's why looking area of rhombus is half D1 D2. Area of rhombus equal to half D1 D2. D1 and D2 are what? Triangles. Even rhombus is a parallelogram, you can use the formula PH. That's some special case only. Okay. Rhombus is a parallelogram, it is equal to PH. A square will not come. A square is for the square only. What is the difference between rhombus and the square?
Angle 90 degrees.
Square angle 90 degree, rhombus not. This one is okay, no problem. That is a condition, rhombus. So that means it's okay now. The remaining hexagonal is not there. Now, come to one by one. Circle. Area. Write down. Circle. Written like circle. Circle. Area is equal to pi r square. Circumference. Circumference is equal to C also you can write A and C circumference equal to 2 pi r or pi d. Pi who are in diameter no? Pi d. Okay. Perimeter. Same, right? Perimeter 2 pi r. Perimeter.
Then what is the difference between the
No difference. Oh. Okay. Return for.
yes.
Okay. You do not write perimeter. Right now, perimeter. Shortcut plan. Next. Circular. Okay. Area. Now, tell me what is a semicircle? All of you know. What is semicircle? Half a circle. So right. Semicircle. Getting right. Semicircle. Below area. 2 pi r. Area is equal to half pi r square.
Pi
Area of pi r square. Circumference pi r. You follow?
half pi
Then now it's perimeter pi r. No.
pi
Pi r.
pi.
Pi r. Finally decided.
Yes, sir.
So write pi r. Not enough. Plus 2r.
Sir, what's very
So write first. Write this one. Pi r plus 2r.
And circumference of perimeter.
First right. That is why I said circumference and perimeter are not same. Okay. Now, what do you mean by circumference means? The length of that curve. Perimeter means sum of the outer boundary. In the circle, there is only one curve. That is why circumference and perimeter are same. Whereas in the perimeter, what is it? Sorry, for the semicircle, what is it? This is the curve part, that is circumference, plus diameter is coming as the perimeter. Circumference means, understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Understood. This is circumference, plus this is perimeter. Okay.
Area definition is.
Area will, what is the meaning of area? Huh?
Area definition would be region enclosed in the perimeter.
Region enclosed in the boundary, in the this enclosed figure. Okay. Enclosed figure, what is the region enclosed? Then region, how much region is there? You are the thing. Yes. Okay. All done. Formula learn. Hello. After this, I will ask you to tell that. Then if you will not learn this much is written, immediately learn. Then quadrant. Quadrant. Have you heard about quadrant? 1/4 of the circle. Quarter. Quadrant. 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 Area. 1/4 pi r square. Circumference. 1/4 times 2 pi r. Perimeter is 1/4 2 pi r plus 2r. That cutting and all you can do now. You can write pi r by 2.
So then this 1/2 pi r plus 1.
Yes.
Same is what semicircle.
It's what is doing. Okay, next one. Tell now, both of you tell. Quarter have we said? Quarter have we seen? Quarter. Have you heard about quarter finals? Quarter final, semi final, final. What do you mean by quarter final? In quarter final, how many teams are there? 2. In semi final, how many teams are there? In quarter final, we know. In final, how many teams will be participating? That also written. And in quarter final, you need to select 4 out of 8. Semi final, 2 out of 4. And final, 1 out of 2. Quarter means 1/4. Means each part is called a quadrant. Understood? Don't worry, don't think that others what will be here. Nothing to worry. Okay, this part is called a quadrant. Since every part is the quadrant, 1/4 of it. Okay? Reshta, you had doubt and you could have asked no. You will ask for it. Chalo done. This problem solved. Okay, read the question and identify. Next one. Listen. So this page is done. One more thing then. Circular ring. You know what I mean by circular ring? Okay, what is circular ring? Ring. What is circular ring?
Part of the circle.
Part of the circumference. That's easy. Huh? Circular ring. I'll switch off the AC for a little time. Okay. Circular ring. 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 The region enclosed between two concentric circles. You know what do you mean by concentric circles?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by concentric circles?
One center.
With the same radius, means same center. Are you followed? That is called. Huh? Ah. This one. Huh? One circle, second circle. This is called what? Circular ring. Okay. This one. So, circular ring you wrote. Painting later. Right. Circular ring. Area is equal to pi r square minus r square. Confused what r square is? Capital R square minus small r square. Means area of outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Oh, come down. What is capital R? Right. Right. So capital R is the external radius. Small r is the internal radius. Capital R external radius, small r internal radius. Thick width or thickness. Width or thickness is equal to width of thickness of what something else.
Area of small circle minus.
What we are talking about?
It's a radius of large circle minus
Capital R minus small r. Yes or no? Width or thickness equal to r minus r. And this one. Yes, this component that is width is equal to capital R minus small r. Okay. Most important thing is, not only formula, how to apply in the question, what we have to find out. Sometimes I know every formula. After reading the question, I don't know what to find out. Then there's the problem. That is why you have to understand what all things are there. Okay. This also. What is its outer circumference? What is its outer circumference?
by bigger.
2 pi capital R. What is in its inner circumference?
By smaller.
You want to write, you write down. Okay. No, me, yeah. You did not tell me. Same thing only, but we did not tell. Okay. I'm going to ask all this. For the outer circumference is 2 pi capital and 2 pi smaller. Okay. Understood. There are questions will be there based on that one we have to do. Then listen carefully, the next one. This is the little new part, but will be the last one. Chesta, you also, yeah. When a circle is rotated one time, how much distance travels?
Circumference.
Distance travel is one. Take a cycle with the wheel is rotated in one rotation. How much? The bag is taken and rotating this way from here to here. It is there. What is the distance travel? Circumference. That's it. Okay, so right. Distance traveled in one revolution. Distance traveled in one revolution is equal to circumference. Okay. Next, one more. Number of revolutions. Number of revolutions is equal to, you know what's the formula? Total distance upon circumference. Total distance upon circumference. Follow?
Yes.
Okay. So, for example, Darshan travels from school to home to UT by a cycle. Okay. So, how many the cycle wheel has how many times it is rotated. How do you find out? You have to find out what is the distance divided by circumference. That is number of revolutions. That is one wheel. Okay, now there is again another one. Wheel also, it is not of the same radius. Some of the cycles, a small one, basically in the circus and all. Even that is for the otherwise, even big tractor and all, you must have seen tractors and all. Small wheel, big wheel. Isn't it? So that the number of revolutions accordingly changes. Distance will be same only. This one, distance travel will be same only. Or then one wheel will say, I rotate usually, you rotate this more. Equal number. Depends upon the number. Size revolutions will be less. That's the advantage, no? In it, big wheels are there, revolutions will be less. With the less number of revolutions, more distance will become. Small wheels. That was physics properties you have studied. Okay, then this much is clear now. These all formula is learned. Whatever is there anything new, not much new, only just revising. Okay, already please stand up. Okay, I made you to stand. Those who know all the formula, please sit down. Those who know all the formula, please sit down. Otherwise, just revise for a minute. Let's see. On stand, why is when I moved on the research? How much time? 3, 4. Boys all three standing only. If you learn, you sit down. When you can stand, you all direct. Learn. Then look in the book and learn. Those who are sitting, I'll ask questions to the first person to ask. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should see all getting our question. Okay, that's the standard. What is the perimeter of the quadrant? Half pi r plus 2. Half pi r plus 2. She says no, it's correct only. 1 by 4 2 pi r is don't change. 1 by 4 2 pi r is half pi r. Okay. What is the outer circumference of a circular ring? Outer circumference. 2 pi capital R. 2 pi capital R. What is the width of the ring? R capital R minus small r. Area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle. Pi r square. Half r. Finally, what is area? Third one here. That's it. Finally, what is it? Half pi r. Agreed, then sit down. Cool. We have got the wrong what the area of the wrong half divided area of the semicircle. Half pi r square. Perimeter of semicircle. Pi r plus 2 r. Pi r plus 2 r. Fit off. Hey, girl child, where playing? You. Area of quadrant. Area of quadrant. 1 by 4 pi r square. Perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of circle. Pi r. Over. Pi r. Perimeter of the circle. Pi r. Sure. So Perimeter of what circle?
Circle.
2 pi r.
2 pi r. How pi r is coming? So, area of the quadrant.
4
Hmm.
pi r square.
Number of revolutions.
Number of total distance upon circumference.
No. Area of semicircle.
One upon half pi r.
1 upon half pi r.
Pi r square. Half pi r square.
Half pi r square. Perimeter.
Perimeter semicircle.
Where perimeter?
Pi r.
Circumference. Perimeter is equal to What?
Pi r plus 2r.
pi r plus 2r. What is its circumference? Pi r. Sit down. Now what to do? You all, how long it will take? How much time? How much time you are needed to learn? Huh? Unlimited. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I tell her. How much time you need? 1 day, 5 minutes. 25 minutes is left out. After that, beyond that, how much time you can? Isn't it? 7 5. Tell. Fast. So how much time more you need? 1 day. You 5 minutes. You an hour. Try to make you to stay after till 1 more. Are you? Please stand up. That's it. Asking question. Oh, he has to open the book and see. Okay. Ask him now.
Area of the perimeter. Half into sum of the parallel sides into.
You have to come to the circle related one.
Okay. Circumference of quadrant. 1/4 into 2 pi. Area of circular ring.
Circular ring. Easy. A circular ring just now did now.
Pi into capital R square
Plus or minus.
minus
R small r square. Huh?
Square it होगा.
You stand up. One side square root, other side no square. Okay. Hello, 1 day. 1 day, 1 hour, 5 minutes. Done. Sit down on please.
and period
Take the exercise. By the way, listen. Oh, one more thing I have to tell. Value of pi. 22 by 7
and 3.4
or 1.7. 3.14. Okay, that means you remember both are equal. Both are equal or not?
No,
Not equal means which value to be taken?
both are less than जो paper में दिया होगा
Very good. First you check whether it is given in your paper. Okay.
sample paper is just given to
If it is not given,
Even back.
huh?
Even
You need to find listen. You need to find out area of circle. Okay. So You know the formula is pi r square. So what will you take? It is multiple of 7 means 7 into 7.
Value.
Okay. If another question. Area is equal to. It is not multiple.
1.1 into
Are we followed?
yes.
As far as possible. This is not hard and fast rule, but this is called common sense. Okay. If it is not mentioned, always think about and do it. Okay. Here also now why means darshan will be so why not 22 by 7? You know. Okay.
22% yeah.
Yeah, but we did not get this answer. Answer will be different now. Is it or not? I said 22 by 7 or 3.14, which is bigger? Over time over. Oh.
22%.
One is not bigger than the other. 22 by 7 is 3.14. Right? 22 by 7 is 3.14 and going on now. So that will be bigger now anyway. Now going on will be bigger now. This is stopped over now. Where it is stopped? It is a recurring number. It is beyond this. No? That means 3.141 itself. It is gone bigger now. Okay. Chalo, anyway, that is not major concern. Most of the cases they will give. No, R is equal to 10 centimeter and pi is 22 by 7. Use that one. Next is in same question, 2 places. Don't use different values of pi. Means twice I have to apply pi in the same question. Here I will apply 22 by 7. Here apply 3.1. Don't do it. Both the places same. Okay. In the same question you have to do now in one question. Find the area of certain part on in this one. So you have to do maybe some combinations coming. So one is pi r square is there, unknown is pi r by 4 is there. So then both the places you have to apply the same. Okay, don't change it. In this question, it is in the exercise, it is already down here. What is the result? Unless stated otherwise, use pi equal to 22 by 7. What's the meaning?
If the question says use something different than only.
It is not always 22 by 7. Check the question. Nothing mentioned, use 22 by 7. If something mentioned, use that one. Understood or not? Generally, there is a common instruction is given in the question papers. Let's start doing. Okay, Arish, read the first question.
If the perimeter of a semicircular protractor is 108 centimeters, find the diameter of the shaft.
Perimeter of the what is the shape perimeter? Semicircular protractor. Semicircular, you know. Perimeter is equal to 108. As far as possible, don't look back to the formula. Right to perimeter 10. You have to find the diameter. So perimeter we have the formula. What is it? Pi r plus 2r. Therefore, 108 is equal to 22 by 7r plus 2r. LCM we can take 22r plus 14r divided by 7. How much? 36r by 7. Therefore, r is equal to 108 into 7 by 36. We know 36 3s are 7 3s are. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2r, which is equal to 42 centimeter. Check the steps. If any problem, please tell me. As far as possible, cancellations are not allowed. What by 7 value?
This R is equal to some basic 36 inches.
The cross multiply on this will go, this will come.
Okay.
Ask, no problem, no worry, you don't ask how this comes. I repeat one more thing. Remember the squares till 30 and cubes till 15. Majority making mistake is multiplication and calculation mistakes. LCM now divide by 1 now. LCM is coming now. It's okay. Done all of you? It's done. Second question. Yes, Cheshta.
The circumference of a circle is the diameter by 0.6 centimeter.
What is the meaning? Do you know what I mean by exceeds? More. So circumference exceeds the diameter by 16.8 means what? Circumference is equal to diameter plus 16.8. Are you followed? Therefore, 2 pi r is equal to 2r plus 16.8. Or 2 times 22 by 7 r minus 2r is equal to 16.8. That is 44 r upon 7 minus 2r is equal to 16.8. LCM minus 14 r is equal to 16.8. 30 r upon 7, 16.8. R is equal to 16.8, the 7 upon 30. Up this stage only we have to simplify. Now simplify and let's who I did not tell the answers. Or nobody will shout the answers. Your method is wrong. Why did you multiply? Then why did you multiply? First thing is, now look here. From here, what is to be done? First cancel. Then multiply. Look here, then after the cancel, now why did you multiply here? Then how much? 5.6. So the answer is come down 56 into 7 or 5 point. That only has to be done. When that multiplication becomes a bigger number, there are cancellation mistakes. Understood? That is good. What happened? 5.6 out. 5 3s are 15. Omega 1 18 6. 3.92. Then it 339.2 by 10. Now what is the question being asked?
Find the radius.
The radius is equal to unit, don't forget. 3.92 what? Centimeter, no? Okay. I will not do all the questions. Learn how to do it in a simpler way. Sometimes by our calculations may become complicated. Okay, that is why you have to be careful while doing this. Done? Just done. Yes, next one. This man, Samar.
The sum of the radii of two circles is 140 centimeter and the difference of the circumference is 88 centimeter. Find the diameter of circle.
Okay, sum of the radii means if you want to take capital R and here small r, capital R plus small r is equal to how much?
140.
140. And difference of the circumference means C1 minus C2 is equal to how much? 88. That is 2 pi capital R minus 2 pi small r is equal to 88. Can you do it further? Simplify, get the value. Right. Why pi value you can substitute and no. Let's see how will you do. Then I will explain. Are you followed? Verify, yes, you have to simplify how we are speaking. Don't shout. You have to find out separately. Getting actually time over to complete the question. When it is cancelled, hey, plus minus now. I do not tell if I cut 2 then we will tell. So now we have all of you listen. Nobody got the answer. What is going? What is it there? Look, why you have to do this question? One, this one. Take 2 pi common now. R minus R. 2 pi is equal to 88. Therefore, R minus R is equal to 88 by 2 times 22. 87. So very complicated. That is how much? R minus R. 14. I didn't know. So a lot of tricks I have, right? I think that is why think and do it. So simple now, R plus R. Question, do you need to cut or not to cut? 2R is equal to 154. Capital R is equal to 77. Substitute, where you have to substitute? 77 plus small r is equal to 140. R is equal to 140 minus 77, 63. Yes. I expected all, at least 4 5 will get this far. Nobody got that. That too, is it that much complicated form? I don't know. Think and do it. Don't that immediately I'll apply. Just 1 second thing. What is the easier thing? If pi is common, I take a cross multiply. That is easy. That. Final answer, did you write? First one, diameter. Diameters are what? 2 into 77. And in 154, what is the unit is centimeter?
Yes.
And 126. Type double, okay. You write P. Small t. 1. Okay. What was your mistake? Decimal.
Definitely, I do C minus C as 140.
We will go opposite.
I put circumference maximum.
The 140 and 88 you got in the change. Okay, I'll give the next question. Anuj.
The sum of their areas is 1165 centimeters squared and is between their centers is 6 centimeters. Find the radii of each one.
This property we have studied or not? Circles touching internally, circles touching externally will be discussed. Circle we have done. Chapter circle is completed. So I don't see these people.
Yes.
Paka, you are not. Circle is completed.
Yes.
Pair of circles we talk about. 2 circles. Tangents, common tangents.
Yes.
I think they are common and
Yes.
Turn back the pages and see. I don't understand. Common tangent feature. There are different types of circuits drawing and on. I just that's normal. Any. There's no after. Wait. After the. That exercise is done? Yes. Punishment, who people? Me. What is it? Look here, actually listen. Listen here, listen. Okay. Let me ask for this. Stop that question. Stop the question means drawing the figure. If two different circles, if I ask you to draw, how many different ways you can draw two different circles? See, two different circles with identical with same center. I said two different circles. How many different ways? If not followed, I tell you linear equation is studied now. Linear equation. Two lines, how many different ways we studied? Two lines. Intersecting parallel points. You know, coincident means that basically both are same line. So that is why I am telling two different circles. Don't take the point in the circle. Think and tell me. 4, 3, 4. 4 is reached. Finally decided 3. Have you followed my question? If you draw two circles, how many different ways it can be drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or many. Thinking time, more needed. Not even single way. Now 5. Then later down get 6. Don't take concentric concepts. Okay, one is circle is inside. Done. Have you seen? One is inside. Outside. Okay. Touching inside. So how many done? It's called touching outside. Then it's a dot insertion. Yeah. How many intersecting? At how many points? 2 points. These all have different properties are there. What is the relation between the radius? Okay, the radius relations are there. We don't need to do that only. That is later with the advancement. Okay, these are the 5 different ways. Can two circles meet in 3 distinct points? Huh? Will be line. Smart work. Can we draw 2 circles which intersect in 3 distinct points? This is no, and it is a line. It will become a line. 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 L-I-N-E. Okay. Now, finally, okay, possible or not possible? Line also. Reason, line also. Reason we studied already. Points on the circle are collinear or non-collinear? Non-collinear. Okay. Then don't come back to the line. Then you don't take your credit. I said the line. Okay. Okay. Points on this point. Points on the circle are what is the time? Okay, listen. Non-collinear. Through three non-collinear points, one and only one circle passes through. Have you studied the theorem? Previous theorems you don't know. Whereas one and only one circle can pass through three non-collinear points. Can the circle intersecting three distinct points? Yes. Then both the circles are coinciding. Same circle. Okay, the circle will be coinciding. Understood? These are we from
So you said two different circles.
now. Listen now. Listen. That is why a different circle. It is not different circle means coincident circle. Now I'm going to talk about this one. Common tangents. You know what I mean by common tangents? Tangents which are common to both the circles. Can you draw any tangent which is common to these two circles? No. No. Okay. Can we draw any tangent common to these circles? There is one tangent. How about this one? What? Is it one tangent? No.
Yes.
There are more tangents. Are you follow? Here. Also. Three. Who's the three? Who's the three man? Four tangents can be. Are you seeing? Wait. Okay. Now you see these tangents. Both the circles are on the same side. This tangent, both the circles are on the same side. This tangent, opposite side. So there are cases are there. Both the circles are on the same side. That tangent is called direct common tangent. Other one is called transverse common tangent. Now this property is important in us. You know, here this is two questions will be coming. This is A, this is B, this is C. By the tangent theorem, what you can do? We studied the theorem, circle tangent B is equal to BC. BA will be equal to
ABC.
BA is equal to BD. And BC is equal to BD. Therefore, he is the midpoint. Question will come in the exam. Who is the midpoint? Okay. And again, the angle also 90 degree part also that will questions are there. That's in the exercise questions are there. Okay. Now, this also clear. Now, these two circle properties we have to get. This is called internally touching circle. This is called externally touching circle. Properties. Time is there. I will give you these two. This is what. Okay. Yes. Remind me in the next part. I have to give the properties. That's the important property you have to remind. Okay. I will remind you about the touching circle property. Okay, my Friday when you are coming, how many questions you are supposed to do? 48. Please go and practice.